First, open Widgetsmith. Choose the widget size that you want. Then the style of the widget. And the font. I like this New York font. And then your background color, as well as your text color. And then you're going to rename it so it's easy to find and add to your home screen. Save it. And then hold down on one of your apps on the home screen, hit plus, and then click Widgetsmith, add the small widget, and it'll pop right onto your screen. I like to create stacks, so you can easily just swipe through them, and you can do that just by dragging one on top of the other. Then you're going to open Canva and create an illustration for each of the icons that you want to customize. I grabbed the color from the actual widget on Widgetsmith so that all of my icons would match. And you just save it, and then you're going to want to open shortcuts, create a new shortcut, choose scripting, open app, enter the name of the app you want to open, enter the name, and then click done. And then go to the shortcut, click the three dots again, add to home screen, click the second icon, choose photo, choose the icon you want to use, and then click add. Then just tap, hold, and drag that icon wherever you want. So with Widgetsmith, there is an option to add a custom photo widget, but it doesn't have the ability to add text over the photo, so I use an app called Memowidget. In Memowidget, add a photo and then add some text. This is really great for to-do lists, or I like to use it as an inspirational quote. And since this app only has one font, I like to further customize and use igfonts.io. I'll leave the link in the description. But you can basically just enter your text, copy whatever font you want, and then paste it into Memowidget. And that's it. Just a couple things to note. I like to create stacks underneath the widgets because Widgetsmith only opens to their version of the apps. When you open an app, it actually takes you to shortcuts first for a second and then opens the app, and you don't get the red notification bubbles on these custom icons. And lastly, I would just recommend not deleting the original apps and instead just hide them in a folder. So this is the final result. I think it's really clean and beautiful. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, share, and follow.